actually a washout. We ended up riding a little bit in the nighttime, but wasn't worth recording really. So we're back and it's Saturday and we're gonna try again. What all are we hitting?
Tornado Alley.
What?
We're hitting Tornado Alley, V-Rock, Cliffhanger, Sand Cave.
There's one other one.
Wolf Pen.
So that's the plan for today, and we'll make sure to get some better footage this time around. Well, not better, I guess, just footage in general. But stay tuned. Probably see some carnage on my front differential. So we'll let you know. We made it to the bottom of Tornado Alley. I did have a small little electrical fire as soon as we left the camp, but she's still breathing. I busted my hood up, rolled it 4 times down Slate Rock. Just kidding. I just ran it over actually in the shop. So, but yeah, we're gonna make it up Tornado Alley and then head to, I don't know, Airplane Hill. And then V-Rock. So stay tuned for that. Okay.
Let me get on the other side here.
What is it?
I had to turn this on.
All right, come driver.
Left. Am I getting it on that
bumping
rock?
up on this rock.
On top of it?
Yeah, just your driver.
All right.
All right, now faster a little bit. There you go. All right, driver. There you go. Go. There you go. You need to come back a little bit, get more driver. You need to get up on that.
Hey.
Right there, now go hard driver and get up on it.
Hold on.
Right there, right there. There you go. Pass your look. There you go. For driver. Back up right there. Nope. Come to me a little bit. Right there. Now bump it. Yeah, well, stop.
It's that rock. You're high center on it. You're good though.
Back up a little bit. But don't get off that rock. Oh. Now that way.
How hard that was?
All the way. Nope, back up. Let's try and take either line here. Alright. Come up that way. get up on this rock here. All right, come my way, driver.
What'd you say?
Try to bump your driver up on this rock and just ride that out. Right here, yep, right here. Yep. We'll take it to the side. Oh, hard passenger, there you go. Hard passenger. Try that right there, see if you can get up on that. Hard driver, back up a little bit. Hard driver. Oh, hard passenger. Hard as you can. Hard as you can. Oh, back. You're going to have to get yourself back out. Back up a little bit. Hard driver. Back up a little bit. Back. Oh. All the way. There you go. Easy. All right. If you can get that, get it.
Nope.
That's the first time.
It is bouncing.
Back up a little bit. Alright, go back. All the way passenger. Let's try to get on the inside of it. Come forward. You only two-wheel drive.
Smoking a belt now.
No, you ain't. Your front wheels didn't even move.
I know I'm smoking a belt. My low gear's not something ain't right.
We need to get over here. So back up. Hard driver. Oh, hard passenger. Come up. Stop. Hard driver. Back up. Right there. And a hard passenger. Hard as you can. Alright, come on with it. Alright, what you want to do, you want to get the front wheel right up on that. So come with it. Wait, no. Go passenger till you get to here. I'll drive hard. Alright, stop. Passenger. Go back your front tire up on that. Keep it right there. Go forward again. Bring it back clear. Right there. Whoa. Hard passenger. Hard as you can. Come on back. Then go on that brake. Stop. Keep going. Right there. Now hard all the way with the driver. There you go. Oh man, you about had it. Back up about 2 foot. You got the perfect, keep it straight. You got the perfect line, back up 2 foot.
No, you ain't got to. He's gonna drop back off.
Oh, he's already up on that side?
Yeah, he's already up.
Oh, all right.
I bumped it there. So you
Bob
gotta
it.
touch the driver.
Get him heat him up.
Yeah.
Get him warm. Right there. Come on. Yeah, don't you let up too
I didn't
quick.
like how it kicked. I wasn't sure if I was
Turn that way. Driver a little bit, right there. Heat him up. Keep a slow spin like that. Back up a little bit. Can you get? How much can you get?
About an inch and a half.
Well, that's. Hey. All right. Back up an inch and a half. Right there. Bump it.
You got a lot of room on that one.
You got to bump. You got to hit it. Go. Yeah.
Oh,
You almost had
it
it.
almost had it.
You almost had it.
Try to come back a little more. Maybe consider out before he falls off that little bit.
Yeah, I don't want him off that ledge. Back up a little bit. Get him back a little bit. Back up a little bit. Whoa. Get it right there. He's about to fall
We've
this
got
side.
one video done. We
Get it.
haven't posted it yet.
Turn my way a little bit. Hard driver forward. Hard driver, hard driver. There you go, get it. Nope, back up. Back there, do the same thing. Back up, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up, back up. Now, hard driver. Hard driver. Hard, right there. I get it. You got it, you got it, you got it.
Well, damn it, Seth, you told him to go back too far.
Whoa,
Right there,
there.
oh,
Right
no.
there, bumping.
Hell yeah, Captain!
There you go, there you go. Wait,
You're up!
got it.
You're on it!
Whoa, easy, easy.
Right there, stop.
No. Passenger, roll back a little bit. Oh, driver. Driver. Don't goose it, just roll it, just try to get it deep. Right there, go. Back up. Passenger, passenger. Passenger. Oh. Driver, come forward. Easy, just we're coming forward. Yeah. Passenger, hard. All right, stop. Driver hard. Driver hard. Driver hard. All right. Come into it. Go, go.
There it is! Oh!
Dude, them fucking shots.
I ain't got no power steering.
Try more passenger, Tyler. Ride it right up at V.
I ain't got no power steering. Let it sit
Didn't
for a
climb that
minute.
driver bank.
Huh?
What, it get hot and then quit?
You fucking.
We call that.
Right door to it. All right, you're good right there. Now come my way a little bit. There you go. Right there. That's all you got. Whoa! Damn! Hey. Turn it off! You all right?
You good?
Got that on film!
Yeah, buddy, we did. I'll give him credit, he's doing it again. So, we'll figure out if he's...
Right there. Come on.
Oh, you had that.